Looking for climbing steps that combine ultra-lightweight design with unbeatable reliability? These tactical climbing steps, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, deliver exactly that. Their streamlined packing system lets you nest them together, making transport effortless and saving precious space in your gear bag. Whether you're heading out for a mission or an outdoor adventure, these steps promise ultimate portability without sacrificing strength. What sets these steps apart is their silent use design. Over-molded attachment hooks ensure a quick setup while eliminating the unwanted noise that can give away your position. No more clinking or rattling, just smooth, stealthy performance when it matters most. Plus, the dual-sided step design gives you extra confidence climbing up or down, so you stay secure on every move. Traction is critical when you're climbing in wet or muddy conditions. These steps feature step grooves with raised ends that grab your boots firmly, providing non-slip performance even in challenging terrain. The innovative re-digger teeth bite into bark, offering a stable platform that won't shift or slip. This combination of features means you can focus on your climb, knowing your footing is rock solid. I've been using these climbing steps for 2 seasons now, and they've completely changed how I approach tactical climbs. They're incredibly lightweight and pack down neatly, which makes carrying them a breeze. Setup is quick and silent, exactly what you need in the field. I swapped out the clip hooks for Versa buttons for my personal preference, but either way, the quality and durability stand out. These steps have become an essential part of my gear. If you're serious about tactical climbing or need reliable steps for military use, these lightweight, durable climbing steps are worth a look. They combine portability, silent setup, and superior traction to keep you safe and efficient on every climb. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your gear and experience the difference in performance.